A macro in Access is a set of instructions that you can use to automate tasks or processes in your database. It's a way to make your work easier and faster by having Access do repetitive tasks for you. Think of it as a shortcut that you can create and reuse whenever you need to. To get started, click on Create in the toolbar, and then Macro in the ribbon under Macros and Code. You'll be greeted with a drop-down menu containing the following options. Feel free to pause this video to take your time reading the list of available actions and their definitions. Let's create a macro that automates the execution of 3 queries in a specific sequence. Here I have 3 queries, 2 different make table queries and a select query that pulls it all together. Normally, I have to run each query manually, but with the macro we'll create, I can execute all 3 in a single action. To begin, I'll click on the drop-down menu and choose Open Query. Then, I will use the Query Name drop-down menu to select my first query. I will then repeat the process for my second and third queries. I'll save and close, and now I can run the macro by double-clicking it. Upon running the macro, I'll be presented with pop-ups typically associated with executing make table queries, since there are make table queries in the macro. But we can disable these pop-ups if we want. To do this, right-click on the macro and select Design View. Then, after making sure Show All Actions is selected in the ribbon, I will select the Set Warnings action and set it to No. Then I'll use the up arrow to move it to first in the order. There are endless possibilities for utilizing these powerful tools, and in my next video, I'll share one creative way to make the most of them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something new today.